Welcome back, everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DJT Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 150 likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, if you wanna support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And this could be the last video on DJT. And there is a reason, because I don't make these videos for YouTube money. You can see I don't make any money on YouTube. And I'm going to share that in another video that there is basically no money on YouTube. And that's not why I'm actually doing this. But main thing, when I make these videos, if my videos are getting lots of likes, that all pays for everything that I do. Especially this stock DJT, I've been covering since day one when this stock came out in the stock market. You can see many videos. You can click right here. You're gonna see more videos on my channel. And this was really disappointing that I was calling for this pump just few days ago, guys. Just few days ago. Look at this right here. And out of almost 800 people, we got 67 likes on this video. And that is just disappointing. And that's why I'm probably not going to continue to cover DJT, because it's just not worth my time. But I'll definitely take my time and share my views today here on DJT and see what's coming next for the stock. Now on DJT, it's up almost 22% today, up $7.60, got up to $43, and now we're trading over 40. Now, when I made the video, it was just consolidating. Even talked about it in my video that this thing is just coiling up here. We're just gonna see that breakout happening. And I know there is news. I'm not gonna go too much into details what Trump said and what's going to happen or not, because this was coming. I already said before that this was coming. You're going to see that breakout. If this thing can actually hold over 36, you're going to see 40 plus dollars. And now today, up to 43.31. And definitely this Bollinger Band squeeze, you can see this green line is upper Bollinger Band, and this purple line is actually lower Bollinger Band. And it was getting really tight. It was getting really that Bollinger Band squeeze. And finally, we got that massive breakout to the upside. I mean, look at the size of this candle, guys. Huge bullish engulfing candle, and look at the volume on it. So now the question here, can it push even higher? Well, absolutely it can, but would I be chasing this? And not to mention, when I actually made that video, and I hope they made money. I saw a comment in my video that I got some shares at 36. Do you think I'm doomed? You're not, buddy. You just made a ton of money. So if you're one of those traders that are really like, panicking after buying something, don't buy it. Don't buy it. This is not something, if you are actually scared and you panic after buying, then this is not the stock for you. We all know how this thing can actually move. And if you're one of those people that actually buy something and the next minute you want profit, it's really hard, because it took a couple weeks for this breakout to happen, and now it's trading over $40. So, what's happening next week? Well, we got Martin Luther King Day, and I think Trump also taking back office. And that's the biggest catalyst. And then we will see Trump actually going into Truth social media and posting things, and that's going to be even bigger catalyst for the stock. And not to mention, guys, a sitting president, and he has a stock in the market. Do you think you need anything bigger than that? That's actually a presidential stock. We've been talking about it in my video that you're not just buying some, cheap penny stock. This is actually a presidential stock that you can own. And if this thing moves up, it can easily go up to 50, 60, 100, 150, 200 bucks. But if you're panicking after buying and it comes back like 10 bucks and you're like, oh my God, I'm doomed. This is not the stock for you. And I can tell you over and over. We've been holding, a lot of people that are subscribed to my channel are long-term holders of DJT. I took profit, I'm not gonna lie, but still holding a good chunk for more upside, and that is long term. I'm not gonna, sell now since Trump won. Maybe it would be a different story if he lost the election, and then I would sell out. And now look at this pop today, massive, right? So going into next few days, and if you're thinking about buying here, well, do your own research, because I don't like to chase anything. I would not recommend buying here because this thing can go up even more. You already missed out. I made the video. There were so many opportunities here and you totally missed out. And now, no point of chasing. If there is a pullback, yeah, you can take a chance. And that would be around $36 to $34 right here, 50-day moving average or 20-day moving average. So going into tomorrow's session, if this thing can continue and hold 40 or even right here at 38, we might see some more consolidation here. And then by the time he goes back into that office, we might see a move tomorrow or even later back up to 46. And over that, you're going to see 50 plus on DJT. Now, only thing I would say concerning, if you're holding this thing breaks under 34, in that case, it's gonna go on a downtrend, but for that, you're gonna need some bad catalyst, and we don't have a bad catalyst right now. These are all good catalysts, that's happening here on DJT. So I think it can actually go up much, much higher, and it's just matter of how long you wanna hold, and if you wanna hold or not, or you wanna go and chase and lose money, guys. So that is it about DJT, and I will do some updates in my Discord. So if you're not part of the community in my Discord, you're probably not gonna see a lot of updates, but I'll do updates for my paid Patreon members and my Discord members, and that's gonna go out in my Discord. But possibly, maybe this is the last video because it's just not worth my time. And I gave so many good ideas on DJT. Not even here, guys. Not only here, even right here when this thing was down, even right here when this thing was down right here, it was sitting here for months and people were saying pump and dump, this and that, negative thing, Trump is going to lose, lots of negative things, comments, and I just went through it. You know, I still made my videos regularly, and guess what? It popped big, huge. Look at this pump. Came back in, and I said, don't chase here. Came back in, it popped again. Came back in again, and now finally, Trump won and is going back into the office. I think this stock definitely has got a great, future, and definitely will do really good as a company. And you're going to see that in the price of DJT. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys.